Because in this country, much easier to take a girl. Back in my country, this is the communication between the wall and the boy and the girl, and we cannot get inside. We only gossip through the wall. And that's what I'm going to tell my wife.
You can put under his chin. Yeah.